Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix failed to load Onlinefix64.dll. So, if you are facing the error on your Windows PC, this tutorial will help you fix it quickly and get your software running smoothly again. So this error code usually appears when the DLL file is missing or corrupted. There's a problem with the system permissions or your graphics driver are outdated, or the window registry entries are incorrect, or lastly, antivirus software blocks the file. So the first method that you need to do is just reinstall the DLL file. You can just download a fresh copy from a trusted website and place it in the directory. You can also run the software as administrator. So look at the game or games showing the error. Right click on it like this, for example, and then you can just select run as administrator. This one. You need to also update the graphics driver. So just press on Windows plus X and select device manager. And you can just explain the display adapters. This one. And then we can just right click your GPU and then search automatically for driver and let it update. After that, you can just restart your PC and check if the issue is still there. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.